Hey, what's up, everybody? So I just found this crazy match after conversing with Dave for a little bit. After this video got uploaded, we ran some scripts and we found a crazy match at the price numbers. It happens around 60 seconds or so on this video.
From Delta. Raymond, will you start the bidding on that?
400, please.
$400.
Okay, so let me just go through.
$695. Actual retail price is $9.99. You win, Jeffrey.
Okay, so let's just go back a little bit. So these numbers right here actually are predicting the Columbine massacre. And so to find the month, the episode is 6962, right? So that's going to be 4 characters long, and that's going to represent April. And that's going to be 4. And then for the day, which is going to be 20, we have to look at this guy's answer right here, the digit sum of 695. 6 plus 5 plus 9 is 20. 4, 20, and then we need to find the date. And this incident happened 1999. So let's get that. This one we have to do 1200 plus 400 plus 525, and that's going to give us 2125. And then we have to subtract the year 1988 from that, so we just do minus 1988, and that's going to give us 137. And what is the digit sum of this? This is 11. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And now we just use 1988 plus 11. We get 1999. 420, 1999. And then for the amount of deaths, there's a total of 16, including both perpetrators. And then if we go here, the digit sum of this lady's answer is 12. 5 plus 5 plus 2, and then plus 4, the digit sum of this guy's answer, so that's going to be 16. And if you listen to this part at 1 minute and 10 seconds, listen to what he says.
Is $9.99.
Almost $19.99, just missing that one right there. And I just want to close by saying that there's more gems that can be found from this episode, especially with these numbers right here. And we can find to directly correlate to a potential location in the future, because at the time we don't know where this was going to happen at. And ASCII and hex values, I mean, you could find a bunch of shit with these numbers right here right now, and I just wanted to share. So thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day.